This is Imran at Toronto, downtowncondos.com, introducing Canary House Condos, 425 Front Street East, front and Bayview corner, 11-story, low-rise, low suite count, good quality living, European appliances, integrated fashion in the kitchen, individually controlled temperatures, fitness and weight rooms, meeting and party room, 24-hour concierge, really nicely loaded building, access to DVP, downtown Toronto, within 4 to 5 minutes. Call me direct at 416-670-6588. Email me, Imran at Toronto, downtowncondos.com for further information, current listings for sale and for lease. 416-670-6588, Imran at Toronto, downtowncondos.com. Thank you for listening.